everyone, it's Minecraft Cool Pro here, and as you can see, I have the Powertrains 2.0 boat transport pack. So yeah, let's open this. So I just opened it right out of the package here, as you can see, and then I do that, and here we go. We have the cars from the pack. This box car looks really nice. Has open sliding doors. Caboose looks especially nice. And my favorite car of the pack, the tanker. Yeah, guys. And then there's a flatbed with two little boats. So I'm going to start at the bottom and go to the top. Just got pop that out like that. And here we have a box car. Looks tiny, but perfect. So we have that out. And then we have the caboose. They just got to pop out also. So these two can go together just like that. So that's cool also. And here we go. My favorite car of the pack. I'm just going to let you examine this, since it's my favorite car of the pack. Okay. And finally, we have a flatbed. This is pretty hard to get out. Okay, I thought I was going to get that out and something was going to fall, but no, I was wrong. And here's the flatbed. We have these two boats I have right here. Right there. And we have the blue boat. Always. One sec, guys. This is going to take a second. Okay, so we've got two boats here, and guys, I will be right back. Sorry, okay, so yeah, one sec, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna, set these up on the rails, and I'll be back with you. Sorry guys, it's taking long. It's just those couplers. Okay, got one on. Now, time for flatbed. There. Gotta put both of the boats on. Just one question. This crate from the starter set can actually fit on the flatbed. One sec. Does that mean the flatbed from the set I got could fit on it? Please like if you think it will. You can dislike if you don't think it will. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to found it. So yeah guys, I found it. Let's see it. Let's see if this can fit on here. I don't know if it can fit. So, I'll have to take that off. Put that in. Put that in. Now my most exciting for is the tanker. Now I'm going to put the one flatbed behind the tanker. And then we have that. Put the crate on it. And then we're just going to put the Pacific Express behind that. I'll show you in a minute. One sec, guys. It might take a little while. Just need get this set up right now. It might take a while, guys, okay? So you might just want to speed through this. Sorry, it's just powertrains do that all the time. And I can't even get this track. Sorry, guys. Sorry for that. So I'm just gonna do this. What? So I'm just gonna do this. Put both of them on there. I'm just gonna line them up for a second. Line the boats up. Line that up. So I'm just gonna carefully couple. So guys, here's what it looks like. Let me zoom in. That's what it looks like, front all the way to back. Thank you guys for watching, and this is Minecraft.